Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Blockman Go game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to install this game on your PC, you will first need to install an Android emulator. So open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. From here, you can simply click on the download button to download the BlueStacks Android emulator. After downloading the installer, just open it up and click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once it is installed, you can open it up to get access to your Android home screen. Now from here, go ahead and open up the Play Store and then log into your Google account. After logging in, just tap on the search button and just type in Blockman Go and start your search. Once you find the application, just tap on it and you will find the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the Blockman Go game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button which you can tap on in order to open up a game, and it will also create a shortcut within your desktop. And after the game is installed, you can just open it up and proceed forward with your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start enjoying the Blockman Go game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Blockman Go game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.